Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Ride and Ada Motor Diaries. So we are right now on a ride to PAWNA Dam. It is a hot spot for camping right now, but I'm not going to camp there. It will be only a ride. It is around 90 kilometers from Mumbai. The initial thought was to see the dam, but I was sure that the security over there won't allow us, so thought at least I could ride close to the lake. To make the ride a little bit interesting, chose one route to go and other route to come. So I crossed Lonavala, then Bushi Dam and rode towards PAWNA. The route which I took towards PAWNA was running parallel to PAWNA Lake. As it was not a rainy season, one side of the river had water and the other side of the dam there was no water. And this route was nearby the side which had water. Reached PAWNA Dam, and as expected, the security didn't allow. The PAWNA Dam was built in the year 1973 across the PAWNA River. Since its formation, the backwater formed as a reservoir, which was later came to be known as PAWNA Lake. After reaching that place, had some snack and went close to the river, spent some time there. It was a good place for camping during winters. I returned to Lonavala through the other side, and before reaching Lonavala spent some time at Tiger Point and then continued the ride back home. Thank you for watching this vlog. Meet you in the next vlog. Until then, it's a bye bye from Ride and Nadar. Let's ride.